Do you have skills and but feel lost? Most people don't lack talent. They lack identity. I see this all the time. You wake up each day knowing you could do more. You try new jobs, hobbies, or side hustles. But nothing sticks. You feel like you're spinning wheels. Friends move ahead, but you're stuck in the same spot. It's frustrating. You question yourself. Why can't I figure this out? This pain is real for beginners like you. You've got potential, but it stays hidden. Days turn into weeks, and you wonder if you'll ever break free. It's not your fault. Society pushes skills and talent. But without knowing who you are, talent sits unused. In this video, I'll show you why identity is the key. We'll break it down step by step. By the end, you'll have simple tools to find your identity and start using your talents. No fluff, just real steps. Let's get into it. What is identity? Identity is who you are at your core. It's not your job or what others say. It's your values, passions, and beliefs. Think of it like a map. Talent is the car, but identity is the direction. Without it, you drive in circles. Many people chase trends. They learn coding or art because it's popular. But if it doesn't match their identity, they quit fast. Identity keeps you going. It's the why behind your actions. Why do we lack identity? We grow up following rules. School, parents, society, they tell us what to do. We copy others to fit in. By adulthood, we've lost touch with ourselves. We chase money or status, ignoring what feels right. Social media makes it worse. We see perfect lives and try to copy them. But that's not us. It's fake. This leads to feeling empty. You have talents, like writing or fixing things, but no identity to guide them. Result? Stuck. Signs you lack identity. First sign, you start projects but drop them quick. Excitement fades because it's not you. Second, you feel jealous of others' success. Not inspired, but bitter. Why? Their path matches their identity. Yours doesn't. Third, decisions are hard. What job? What hobby? Without identity, everything feels wrong. If this hits home, you're not alone. Beginners often face this, but we can fix it. How to build your identity. Step 1. Reflect on your past. What activities made time fly? As a kid, what did you love? Write them down. Step 2. Ask hard questions. What values matter most? Family, adventure, honesty? List 5. Step 3. Test small. Try things that match your values. See what feels natural, no big risks yet. Step 4. Ignore outside noise. Friends may say that's not practical, but your identity is yours. Step 5. Build habits around it. If your identity is creative, draw daily. Talent grows when identity leads. This takes time. Start with 10 minutes a day. Journal or walk and think. Remember, identity isn't fixed, it evolves. But starting now changes everything. Stop right there. If you're watching this and nodding, hear me. You're not broken. You've just been driving without a map. Build intensity slightly, but stay calm. Talent without identity is like a seed in dry soil. It won't grow. But find your identity and everything shifts. You'll wake up excited. Decisions get easy. Stuck? Gone? Don't wait another year. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Take Sarah. She had art talent but worked in finance, felt empty. She reflected, loved creating stories, switched to graphic design, now thrives. Or Mike. Good with numbers but lost, found identity in problem solving. Started a tech blog, grew fast. Tip: use free tools, apps like Journal or even Paper. Track what energizes you. Avoid common mistake. Don't force it. If something drains you, drop it. Identity feels right. Final tip: share with one person. Talking helps clarify. We've covered why identity matters more than talent. You have the steps. Now, act. If this helped, like the video. It tells YouTube to show it to more stuck beginners. Subscribe for more calm advice on growth. Hit the bell. Comment below. What's one value in your identity? I'll reply. Thanks for watching. See you next time.